Hi, my name is Randy Lowen. I've been selling and servicing cleaning equipment at Flexel Products for over 30 years, and today I'd like to introduce the Advance SC351 Mini Auto Scrubber. So here we have the Advance SC351 Auto Scrubber. You can see how the handle is able to be adjusted up and down to suit your height. We can remove the recovery tank lid and inspect the recovery tank gasket as well as the float ball. Here is a solution tank which can be easily removed and filled from a sink. This is a recovery tank which can be easily removed and emptied into a toilet or slop sink. Tipping the machine back gives us access to the squeegee assembly. We have to make sure that it is kept clean and undamaged. To install the scrub brush, center the scrub head over the brush. Turn the main switch to the first setting, which turns on the machine. You'll also see the third setting to activate the water flow and scrubber, while the fourth setting is for the vacuuming and brush only. The water flow is controlled with this switch on the handle. It can be switched to a high or low water flow. When operating the machine, lower the handle to a comfortable position. Turn the main switch to the second on position. Push the red safety switch and pull on the triggers. The brush will activate and you'll be scrubbing the floor. Make sure to contact Flexel Products for all of your sanitation requirements.